Hi everyone, today we're going to be trying out this Loreal Preference in shade 4.26 Burgundy. Inside the box we have developer, colour cream, conditioner, colour conditioner to freshen your colour, gloves and instructions. When using this colour for the first time, you apply it to wet unwashed hair, leave for 30 minutes, rinse, condition for 2 minutes and rinse again. Today I'm going to be dyeing my friend Cassandra's hair. This is her natural hair colour. Because her hair is quite thick, I would normally recommend using 3 boxes of hair dye, but since we're going to be applying this to wet hair, we're only going to be using 2. As usual, the back of the box has a guide to give you an idea of what colour your hair might turn out. Because Cassandra's hair is naturally dark, we're expecting it to just have a tinge of colour when it's in the light. Here is the before and after. As Cassandra's hair was naturally dark, I think this turned out quite nice. You can really see the purple shine in the natural light. At work the next day, Cassandra got plenty of compliments about her hair colour, so it was definitely noticeable. If you have any hair dye recommendations which will make Cassandra's hair even more purple without using bleach, please let me know in the comments section. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Bye!